Good morning all. How in real estate or how in the world do you turn 1 million into 2? Well, in real estate it is. And one of the rare investments that you can do where you can do this. Some people say, well, it's capital intensive, it's not as liquid, it's difficult to turn it into a passive investment, a real passive investment. You have to have more skin in the game, you have to be hands-on, and of course, tenant nightmares, management nightmares, maintenance issues, and so we go on. Well, I believe it is less volatile. You can leverage it. When I last heard and when I last looked, you could not go and take a 500,000 or R1 million and purchase 2 million rand shares. You need to have assets to get a margin loan. You cannot use the asset you're purchasing as security for your purchase. This is what is so amazing about real estate. So you could put 20%, 50%, 30% down. Obviously, affordability is everything, and then leverage and purchase for a higher amount. This is an incredible, special, unique feature about owning real estate and making real estate work for you. So when people say the market is volatile and it can crash, there's always an underlying asset with real estate. That underlying value, the actual brick and mortar has a value, the actual land has a value that cannot be destroyed. The land cannot be destroyed. So do what you may, you will always have something. The flexibility of real estate for me is everything. I have more control of my investment. Yes, markets move up and down, and this we all know. It doesn't matter what investment you buy, but at least my volatility is not as high as in other investments. Happy investing.